Welcome back, urban gardeners. Right now, the brutal sun is absolutely beating down on the concrete floors of your balconies, and because of this intense, suffocating heat, most people completely throw in the towel, leaving their expensive patio pots sitting completely barren and bone dry. But before we even realize what is happening, a crisp, freezing wave of autumn air is going to rapidly sweep in and change everything. It is time to roll up your sleeves, plunge your hands deep into the rich potting soil, and completely maximize every single inch of your container space immediately. You are going to deeply and profoundly regret not starting these seeds right at this very moment, because you are dangerously close to missing the absolute most perfect, highly productive biological transition of the entire growing season. Our breakthrough strategy is simple, but highly effective. We are absolutely not going to sow these seeds out on a boiling hot balcony. Instead, we are executing a stealthy indoor germination protocol right now. By doing this in exactly 6 short weeks, when the outdoor weather finally breaks and cools down, you will already possess a massive, highly vigorous army of perfectly established green transplants ready to explode in your large outdoor containers. Grab your indoor seedling trays, fill them to the brim with a high-quality, completely sterile seed starting mix, and let us begin the ultimate countdown of the 5 container crops you must plant right now. Let us start the countdown at number 5, with the absolute foundation of the container garden, the classic lettuce. When it comes to maximizing a very tight, limited balcony space, lettuce is an absolute dream because its root system is incredibly shallow and highly adaptable. These delicate, fibrous roots do not require massive, heavy, deep pots to thrive and survive. Instead, they will completely and perfectly fill out shallow rectangular window boxes, or those narrow railing planters that otherwise sit completely empty and unused during the cooler months. The absolute biggest reason you will deeply regret skipping this crop is the profound sensory experience it delivers. You are probably completely used to opening a sweating plastic clamshell from the grocery store and reluctantly pulling out wilted, slimy, watery leaves that possess absolutely zero culinary flavor. That is an absolute tragedy for your palate. When you grow your own lettuce in the crisp, cool fall air, the entire experience is completely transformed. The exact moment you bite into a freshly picked, homegrown leaf, you will physically hear a loud, incredibly satisfying crunch, instantly followed by a brilliant rush of sweet, crisp water that money simply cannot buy anywhere. To get this magnificent crop started today, you must avoid a massive, devastating amateur mistake. Most people lazily bury these seeds deep in the dirt, but lettuce seeds possess a strict, uncompromising biological requirement. They absolutely must have direct light to trigger germination. If you plunge them into the darkness of the soil, they will simply refuse to wake up. Instead of punching deep holes, we are going to execute a precise surface sowing technique. Simply scatter 2 to 3 seeds directly onto the flat, wet surface of your indoor seed cell. We are strictly applying this overseeding technique to completely guarantee a solid, impenetrable wall of green. Once the seeds are dropped, do not bury them. Just take the flat pad of your index finger and gently press the seeds down so they make firm physical contact with the damp, sterile potting mix, while still remaining fully exposed to the ambient light. Your ticking clock officially begins right now. In exactly 35 days from the exact moment those tiny seeds crack open, you will be actively plucking gorgeous, vibrant green leaves to build the absolute best, most refreshing autumn salads of your entire life. Do not miss out on this crisp perfection. Moving down to the highly anticipated number 4 spot, we have the undisputed heavyweight champion of survival and resilience, the mighty kale. If you are actively looking for an absolutely indestructible plant that will transform a simple 3 to 5 gallon medium-sized container into a relentless, highly efficient superfood production factory, this is exactly the crop you absolutely must grow. Kale possesses a wild, incredibly aggressive instinct to survive the most brutal weather conditions imaginable. While a harsh, unexpected autumn frost will instantly collapse and kill your delicate summer tomatoes, that exact same freezing temperature acts as a brilliant biological trigger for kale. The intense, biting cold chemically locks the natural starches inside the plant and rapidly converts them into pure, highly complex sugars. making the thick leaves incredibly sweet and completely stripping away any harsh, undesirable bitterness. However, the absolute biggest, most devastating mistake patio gardeners make is waiting until the air is already freezing cold to finally plant the seeds. If you sow the seeds too late in the season, you will inevitably end up with completely pathetic, severely stunted little seedlings that lack the massive leaf surface area required to capture the rapidly fading, low-angle autumn sunlight. You must start them indoors right now. Take your chopstick, punch a perfectly precise 1/4 of an inch hole, and drop in exactly 2 seeds. For the ultimate highly guarded soil secret, you must heavily amend your container potting mix with a massive generous dose of pure organic worm castings. Kale is incredibly relentlessly hungry for primitive nitrogen, and the rich earthworm castings will literally force the plant to violently explode with massive, deeply textured leaves. Start the ticking clock today, because in exactly 60 days, your kale will reach its absolute full, glorious maturity. From that exact moment forward, it will continuously and effortlessly pump out fresh, vibrant green growth from the center apex, completely allowing you to harvest heavy, dense bundles of premium leaves for an incredible 6 months straight, without ever needing to start another seed. Claiming the highly coveted number 3 spot on our essential countdown is the absolute undisputed king of culinary versatility, the incredible spinach. Growing this specific, highly nutritious crop in a container during the fall is nothing short of a profound, brilliant biological magic trick. Spinach features a highly fibrous, incredibly dense root system that absolutely loves to aggressively grip into loose, highly aerated, well-draining container potting soil. But the true, undeniable magic lies exactly in how this fascinating plant reacts to the rapidly changing seasons. Spinach is notoriously incredibly sensitive to extended daylight and high temperatures. If you try to grow it in the rapidly warming days of late spring, the plant completely panics, immediately stops producing edible leaves, and violently shoots up a tall, bitter flower stalk to reproduce, a highly frustrating biological process known as bolting. By planting it right now for a dedicated fall harvest, you are completely and brilliantly hacking its internal genetic code. The rapidly cooling autumn air and the steadily shrinking daylight hours completely deceive the plant, permanently shutting down its reproductive bolting mechanism. With the urge to flower completely disabled, the plant is biologically forced to channel 100% of its massive internal energy directly back into vegetative leaf production. The resulting foliage is unbelievably massive, incredibly thick, and boasts a dark, beautiful emerald green color completely packed with dense iron and vital nutrients. To get this powerhouse growing today, take your chopstick, create a precise 1/4 of an inch deep hole in your indoor seed tray, and carefully drop 2 seeds into every single cell before gently covering them with soil. You will deeply and profoundly regret missing this specific window because the countdown is incredibly fast. You are looking at exactly 40 days from a tiny seed to a massive, continuous harvest. By starting your seeds indoors right at this very moment, you are absolutely guaranteeing that you will have incredibly robust, deeply rooted young plants, perfectly ready to be transplanted into your long balcony window boxes by the very beginning of September, completely maximizing the glorious autumn growing season. Stepping proudly into the runner-up position at number 2 is the absolute undeniable visual masterpiece of the entire container garden, the incredibly stunning Swiss chard. There is absolutely no other leafy vegetable on this entire planet that possesses the sheer, overwhelming visual power to completely light up your dull concrete balcony, quite like this specific plant. As the crisp, cool autumn sun hits the foliage, the massive, upright stems literally glow with vibrant, shocking neon shades of blood red, bright magenta, and brilliant lemon yellow. It is truly a living, breathing work of horticultural art. But it is not just a pretty face. It is an absolute culinary powerhouse that essentially gives you 2 completely different, highly delicious vegetables in one single plant. You get the loud, satisfying celery-like crunch from the thick, watery stems, combined perfectly with the deep, earthy sweetness of the massive, crinkled green leaves. However, to successfully grow this masterpiece in a pot, you must face a highly unforgiving, strict biological truth. When you look at a Swiss chard seed, that wrinkly, corky little ball resting in the palm of your hand is actually a multi-germ cluster. It is a tough, protective shell actively holding 2 to 3 completely separate living embryos inside. When you plant that single cluster into your 1/4 of an inch hole, you will inevitably have a chaotic, overcrowded cluster of multiple seedlings, violently fighting for limited space and nutrients. You must be completely and utterly ruthless. Once they sprout, you have to take a sharp pair of scissors and immediately snip away the weaker seedlings, leaving only the single strongest, most dominant plant to command the soil in the container. If you lazily skip this critical thinning step, their roots will completely choke and suffocate each other in the pot. The clock is rapidly ticking on this visual explosion. You have exactly 50 days from the moment of germination until those radiant neon stems reach their absolute peak of intense color, loud crunch, and maximum nutritional value. Do not let your balcony sit completely barren this fall, when you could be continuously harvesting this breathtaking, highly delicious spectacle. Finally, claiming the absolute, highly coveted #1 spot on our entire countdown is the undisputed king of ridiculous speed and explosive culinary flavor, the legendary Arugula. This is the single specific crop you will deeply and profoundly regret missing the most because it completely and totally redefines what is actually possible to achieve inside a small, shallow container. Arugula is a notorious, highly sensitive, cool weather fanatic. If you make the classic amateur mistake of attempting to grow it during the scorching, sweltering heat of the summer months, the intense environmental stress immediately triggers a massive biological defense mechanism. The panicked plant aggressively floods its own leaves with harsh, potent chemical compounds, turning the once delicate foliage incredibly bitter, completely tough, and virtually inedible. But when you plant it right now, timing its growth perfectly for the crisp, chilling, refreshing air of early autumn, absolutely everything changes. The cold temperatures act as a magical biological vault, permanently locking in the plant's authentic, highly prized flavor profile. Instead of harsh bitterness, you get an incredibly rich, deeply complex, peppery and spicy punch that will instantly elevate any homemade wood-fired pizza or fresh autumn salad to the exact, rigorous standards of a 5-star gourmet restaurant. To successfully sow this botanical speed demon, finish your indoor trays by making the final 1/4 of an inch holes, carefully dropping 2 to 3 tiny seeds into every single cell, and gently covering them with your sterile, highly porous potting soil. The ultimate reason this specific plant firmly takes the #1 spot is its absolutely terrifying breakneck speed of growth. Start your ticking clock right at this very second because Arugula is officially one of the absolute fastest growing leafy vegetables in existence. In a shockingly short, rapid window of just 21 to 28 days, from the exact moment the seeds touch the wet dirt, you will have a massive, completely overflowing canopy of jagged, beautiful green leaves, completely ready for the kitchen shears. By refusing to wait and acting right now, you are actively securing the fastest, most incredibly flavorful harvest your patio container garden has ever experienced. Now that every single seed is perfectly situated in the tray, we must execute the final survival protocol for germination. Take a very small handful of your dry seed starting mix and sprinkle an incredibly fine, nearly invisible dusting over the top of the cells, just to ensure every seed is locked firmly at the correct depth. Next comes the absolute art of proper watering. You must use a watering can or a spray bottle with the absolute most gentle, delicate misting setting available, so you do not violently wash the tiny seeds out of their carefully placed holes. Fresh, highly sterile seed starting mix is notoriously stubborn and actively repels water on the very first contact. You must spray the surface lightly, completely walk away and do something else for exactly 10 minutes, and then return to spray it a second time. This strategic pause brilliantly allows the dry peat moss to slowly and deeply absorb the moisture. Finally, bring your trays inside and place them directly under your indoor grow lights. Because it is still late summer, the ambient floor temperature inside your home is naturally hovering right between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the absolute exact perfect sweet spot to violently trigger the biological enzymes inside the seeds to wake up and sprout, meaning you completely bypass the need to plug in any expensive electric heating mats. Growing your own food in containers gives you absolute, unprecedented control over the harsh elements. When an unexpected early autumn frost eventually rolls into town, you do not have to panic or scramble. You simply drag your lightweight pots right up against the warm exterior wall of your house, or casually toss a thin, protective fabric cover over the leaves to keep them totally flawless and completely untouched by the ice. You are entirely leaving behind the chaotic, miserable days of the summer garden, where you had to constantly fight off massive swarms of insects and aggressively water your pots twice a day just to keep things alive. The cooling autumn air naturally locks the deep moisture directly inside your potting soil, and the pest pressure completely vanishes, leaving you with the absolute most peaceful, profoundly relaxing gardening experience of the entire year. Hesitation is your absolute worst enemy right now. These 5 specific vegetables are your golden ticket to completely flipping the script, transforming those empty, sad-looking balcony pots into a highly vibrant, incredibly crunchy, deeply green miniature supermarket. I wish you massive success as you get your hands dirty this weekend. Take a moment to deeply enjoy the quiet peace of your patio. And I will see you right back here when those very first green sprouts finally shatter their shells and push through the soil.